Semper Solaris came out and installed Powerwall 3 solar panels. I knew I wanted to go solar, but what I didn't know is that I should pair that with a Powerwall 3. When you're harvesting your solar energy into a battery, you can use it when you need it. Prices of electricity fluctuate throughout the day. When prices are higher, my home can run off the battery, thus even more lowering my energy costs, which was fantastic. The Tesla app is super intuitive, super clean, shows you all the statistics you want to see, when you're charging, how your energy is being used, and just become the most efficient you can be. One of the greatest things about doing this project was to offset the cost of charging my electric vehicle. Nowadays, we're under scrutiny to get all of our vehicles electric. Going solar and having the Tesla Powerwalls is gonna be crucial to offsetting your energy costs when you're charging your vehicles at home. In an area that's super prone to blackouts, I'm very grateful to Semper for installing and recommending the Tesla Powerwall 3s. Knowing that my home will stay lit, cool, or hot during the winter is a great thought. Especially having a family, I know that it's crucial to keep them happy, which keeps me happy.
Declare your energy independence. Visit sempersolaris.com today.